Have you seen the flashy ads for the SafeSync GPS tracker? The ones that say it's the smartest, most reliable tracking device out there, perfect for cars, bikes, bags, or even loved ones. It claims to offer real-time location tracking, motion detection, geofencing, and even global coverage. Plus, it's advertised as having a 2-year battery life and being compatible with Apple's Find My network. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But let's take a closer look at what's really going on. At first glance, the SafeSync GPS tracker seems like a solid buy. It's small, durable, and easy to hide. It promises instant alerts when something moves or leaves a location, and the setup looks simple enough for anyone to use. But once you dig deeper, especially into customer feedback and the fine print, a different picture starts to emerge. One of the biggest issues is the claim that it works with Apple's Find My network. That's a huge selling point. But the problem is, it's not true. SafeSync isn't listed on Apple's official list of certified devices, and Apple only supports products that go through a specific approval process. So this claim is completely misleading. Then there's the battery life. The website boldly claims it lasts up to 24 months, but if you scroll down, it quietly admits it may only last several weeks, depending on use. That kind of inconsistency is not only confusing, it's dishonest. And when customers try to get help, they often find there's no email, no phone number, and no real support team. Many reported never receiving the product at all, no tracking info, and no useful replies when they reached out. Even worse, some people who did receive the tracker said it didn't work well. There were major delays in tracking updates, incorrect locations, and the devices sometimes lit up or made noise, completely ruining any stealth use. Returning it isn't easy either. You have to ship it back to China at your own expense, and many never saw a refund. On top of that, the website uses classic fake marketing tricks like limited stock or only a few left to rush you into buying. So, is SafeSync GPS tracker legit or a scam? With all these red flags, misleading claims, poor performance, hidden return policies, and lack of customer service, it's hard to recommend. If you're looking for peace of mind, you might want to explore other GPS options from more trustworthy brands.